Hello, and welcome to CIO Leadership Live Middle East. Today it's my pleasure to host Ramadan Mohammed, Digital Infrastructure Specialist at Public Transport Corporation in Ahmad. Salam alaikum, Ramadan.
Alaikum salam. And
Thank you.
thank you for the hosting me.
It is my pleasure. Thank you so much for taking your time so all of our readers can know more about you. First of all,
Sure.
Ramadan, can you let us know a little bit about you and why did you decide to work in IT?
Yeah, actually, my name is Ramadan Muhammad. I'm actually from India. I born up in UAE and I study up here in the UAE and I complete my study in Ajman University in Bachelor of Science in Information Science. So in my study journey when I completed my university study, uh, before I joining the university, I have multiple choice. In 2006, that time, there was some trends. People are joining to IT fields, and IT fields in that time was growing up. And so, uh, as per my family and my brother, they recommended me to join or to select IT field. So I selected information science. Uh, when I completed the study, I feel like information science is very useful or interested. So there was some programming, networking, so I like it. Before I'm joining to the university, when I was in like secondary years, we bring computers in our home. So I was very smart in computer, using the computer, programming, doing changes. So my family, they are thinking me like I'm like a programmer, professional in the computer. So this also like pushed me to join the IT field. So when I completed the university, I joined first in Sharjah government in Sharjah transport. I started working there as IT. It was my first journey in the working fields. Once I joined there, I started learning in working fields and studies totally something different, not similar. So I learned so many things. I learned in security, in networking, in systems. There I developed myself. I start growing my knowledge and my studies about everything about the IT. I saw that IT is not just only computers and some program we are using. It's very big ocean, not sea also, it's this ocean. There is so many fields in IT, so many categories in IT. So I felt it's very interesting for me. It's challenging world for me to learn every day, discover every day, do some challenges, resolve issues, figure out new solutions, new decision to grow our company or whenever I was working.
Ramadan, how do you support your company and the CIO?
Yeah, as per my role in Ajman Transport, I'm playing core role here in the IT department. First of all, I'm taking care of the budget of IT. So we are planning uh, we have the strategic planning for our IT department. What features we have to use, what technologies we have to use, we are looking, where are we going, what is our way in our company grown up using the technology. As you know, transport nowadays is using so many technologies. Everything now related in the transport, it's related to technologies like the applications, like the devices, systems, transport systems. We have so many customers. So we have to provide them our services in digital way. Stop using paper or old school. Okay, so for that, I'm working in the basically for the infrastructure to build up the base of our IT services. So me and my team, we are working in the infrastructures, in the network and system infrastructures. We are looking after the security solutions, deciding which is the best solutions we have to implement in our company to help our services to work in smooth and in great way.
Ramadan, what are the digital trends that are most relevant to the company's goal and evolving needs? How are you using AI, for example?
Now, as you know, every organization are going to digital transformation, their services, their everything. Yani. So as we are in Ajman Transport, we were the first people who was working on the digital transformation services or project. So since 3 or 4 years, we are almost complete transferred our all services to digital. Before 5 years, if you come visit our Ajman Transport main building, you will see so many customers, they are waiting, so many people, they are waiting. We have almost maybe 15 or 16 employees for supporting these customers, working as customer service. So we have decided to transfer all our services, stop using any paperwork, stop making people coming to our company. We have changed all the services to digital. We have different channels. They can apply for the services without coming to our company. A part of this, we have integrated our services with other departments. So they don't have to come to visit our department also. Once like people who has transport company and he want to register his company trade license. So the part of registering his trade license, he has to take approval from Ajman Transport to running the transport services. So in this way, he don't have to come visit our company. He can complete his procedures from one portal for Ajman DAD, Department of Development, Economic Department. So like this comprehensive and integrated services between us and other departments also help us to digitalize everything to Ajman Transport. Now, alhamdulillah, we have almost 46 services, all are digitalized and online. Talking about AI, these digital services, to develop it is very huge and difficult. So we have our employees, they are using AI technologies to help them to developing the services very smooth without any defect or bugs. And there is one interesting thing also. We have our internal application, mobile application for internal services for employees. It's called Barza. We integrated also our application with ChatGPT, so our employees, they can use ChatGPT from the application for their work, help their work to like writing the letters, getting informations. For our developers, they can get codes or script by ChatGPT.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And Ramadan, what are the future plans? Where is the company going to invest this year and the next one?
Yes. As you know, now our transport services, they are planning to grow our services using more digital services. We don't want to stop. We don't want to use let people use their actual money to buy the ticket and take the buses or use the taxis paying by actual money. So there is project going with our company to digitalize or to make wallet with like credit card. So under our company name, so they can use this credit card, okay, or it's debit card. They can use this debit card as a normal Visa card for their buyings in our shoppings, and same time they can use it to our services in the taxi, buses, all services in online services also. So we are trying to stop using the actual money, physical money. Yes.
That sounds great, and I think especially in public transportation, that is everyone's goal. It's difficult to deal because it's also a generation thing. I think it's something that we all will achieve in the future. But wow, looks great. Thank you so much, Ramadan,
You are
for
welcome.
taking your time for
Thank you. Thank you for your time also. Thank you for hosting me in that interview. Inshallah, hope we'll get the award, inshallah.
Thank you for joining CIO Leadership Live Middle East.
Thank you.